How to connect Google Analytics with Google Ads. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Google Analytics 4 or GA4 with Google Ads. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto Google Analytics, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to create a new property, right? Mine is already created, but if you don't know, when you first sign up, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to add in your account details, right? You're going to choose the account data sharing settings right here, and then you're going to select property settings and then about your business. Very simple. So we'll just enter in demo right here as a demo. This is going to be name. You can just add any name you want, and then you can just select account data sharing settings, right? You can select Google product services, modeling, contributions, and business insights, technical supports, account specialist, whatever. So you can select all of them if you want, and then just simply click on next. Enter in the property name. We'll just say demo right here. Select the reporting time zones, currency, and you should be good to go. Selecting the currency, and then just simply click on next. Then you enter in the business information, right? So what industry your business falls into. We'll just say it falls into computer and electronics. Business size, we'll just say medium, 11 to 100 employees. How do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Tick all that applies. So make sure customer engagement with the site or app. We don't have a application, but we do have a website. But we also want optimize my site and app experience. We'll choose these two right here. Measure data across multiple devices, sure. Optimize my advertising costs, increase my conversions, measuring all of that. Just simply check all of these boxes, whichever one that fits your needs, right? And after that, just simply click on create. Wait for a couple of seconds and agree to their terms and services right here. Read all of that, click on accept, and click on I accept, and then your property will be created, as you can see right here. Now you can go ahead and choose a platform and set your Google property up, right? You can just choose web, Android app, or iOS app, and you should be good to go. We'll just choose web. You just simply enter in the domain of your website and your website name. So we'll just say the Esker, and then just simply click on stream right here, create stream, and you should be good to go. Now you have a website set up. Now all you need to do is just set up your Google tag. All right, you just simply click on instructions and you can view it. You can go ahead, and measurement ID is going to be here. Your website is already done. Now let's go ahead and install this Google tag that we can see right here. So since I've entered a Shopify link, I'm gonna go ahead and open my Shopify account. This is all very simple. You don't have to worry about that. Just showing you step by step what you need to do. After that, once you've set up your Google Analytics, we'll just go ahead and connect with our Google account. So in your Shopify account, right, this is what I'm using, but you can use this exact same method however you want. You go into the main settings of your website or application, right? You go into preferences, or for your website, if you're using Wix or any other website, it's going to be different. You can just find the applications right there, and you will have the Google Analytics option, and all just have to do is click on Manage Pixel here. You could also get the channel app as well if you want, and you just simply paste the Google code right here. Very simple, right? If you don't know what the code is, you can find it right here. So you click over here, right here, as you can see, view tag instructions, right? Or you can just simply click over at the configure tag settings. And if you click on manual install, this is the script. You just simply copy the script and you paste it right here, and you should be good to go. After that, once it's connected, what you can do is you can move on to the main part of the video. Now, since this is a demo, what you'll need to do is, I'll just show you. We're going to click on the admin settings, right? For their property, you can choose other property as well. I'm going to choose this other property that I have created before, and I've chosen this property right here. And scroll down, you will see this option right here, Google Ad Links, right? And you just simply click over here and you have the option to link account. Now, if this option does not appear, it appears gray and unclickable. That means that your account does not have permission. So make sure that you have admin permissions in the account. So we're going to click over here and click on link, and we're going to click over here, choose Google Ads account. We're going to click over here, and over here we're going to have a bunch of different accounts. We're going to choose the account that we want to link. You can link up to 20 maximum accounts, and you just simply click on configure. You click on next. You have your configuration settings right here. You can enable all of them. You have personalized advertising enabled. This is enabled by default. You have enable auto tagging as well, and allow access to analytics feature within Google Ads. And this is also enabled as well. Then just simply click on next, and now you have the review and submit options. Just review all of them and see if you would like to change anything, and then just simply click on submit. Wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, link created. So we're just simply going to go ahead and close this up, and you will see that you have now connected your Google Ads account, and it's now connected. Now you could do this exact same thing within the Google Ads campaign itself. So from here, how you could connect your analytics account, you just simply click on tools and settings. All right, underneath setup, you have linked accounts. You just simply click on linked accounts, wait for a couple of seconds, and underneath linked accounts, you will see you will have Google Analytics or GA4. And if you don't see it linked, you can find it right here. But as you can see, currently it is now connected. You just simply click on details right now. If you haven't connected it, it would say details, but since it's connected, it says manage and link. You'd click on details, and just like before, you would see all of these different options, right? These different properties that you have created. You could just simply select all of them, and you can link them by clicking on this button. So as you can see, currently we have this property linked. We could unlink them and link another property as well. It depends on you. And right now, as you can see, our apps and web metrics is not activated. We could activate it from here as well. So very simple. This is how you do it, and how you can connect different properties. Now, once you've connected it, another thing that you could do is you can also enable Google Signals. Now, what that would do is it would retarget specific ads to other customers on different platforms as well. So just simply click on data settings right here and click on data collection, and over here is going to be Google Signals data collection. Just make sure you read all of this and require, see everything that is required for it, and then you could just simply click on get started and turn that on as well. So very simple, and just simply click on activate, and there you go. It is now activated, and now you have that enabled as well. So very simple, guys. This is how you do it. This is how you connect Google Analytics GA4 with Google Ads. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.